students, I am CS Patel from MCGM वर्चुअल क्लास मुंबई। बच्चों, इस वर्ष वैश्विक महामारी के चलते अध्ययन अध्यापन का कार्य प्रभावित हो रहा है। But students, our Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has started online education for all. So students, now let us start. So students, yes, you are seeing standard third. This is our English textbook, my English book 3, standard 3. Yes, and students, yes, subject is English, and today's lesson is days of the week. Today's lesson is days of the week. Okay students, so myself CS Patel from Virtual Training Center, Dadar, Mumbai. Okay students, so now let us start. So students, you are seeing poem Days of the Week. So listen, repeat and recite. So students, yes, this poem you can see in your English textbook on page number 15. Okay students, so listen first of all. Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday, christened on Tuesday, married on Wednesday, took ill on Thursday, worse on Friday, died on Saturday, buried on Sunday. That was the end of Solomon Grundy. Okay students, so now we will see students, so first of all listen this poem once again line by line. Okay, so listen. Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday. Okay, so try to sing. Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday, christened on Tuesday, married on Wednesday, took ill on Thursday, worse on Friday, died on Saturday, buried on Sunday. That was the end of Solomon Grundy. Solomon Grundy, Solomon Grundy. Now students, we will practice line by line this poem. Okay, see further. Days of the week, listen, repeat and recite. So first of all listen, after that repeat and recite. Okay, so Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday. Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday. Okay, Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday. Okay, now repeat it. Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday, born on a Monday, born on a Monday. Okay, now we will practice further lines. Okay students, so listen, repeat and recite. Christian on Tuesday. Okay, repeat it. Christian on Tuesday, christened on Tuesday. Okay, see the next line. Married on Wednesday. Okay, repeat it. Married on Wednesday. Okay, so married on Wednesday. See Wednesday, married on Wednesday. Okay, see the next line. Took ill on Thursday. Took ill on Thursday. Okay, repeat it again. Took ill on Thursday. Okay, so took ill on Thursday. Repeat it. Took ill on Thursday. Took ill on Thursday. Okay, listen, repeat and recite. Was on Friday. Was on Friday. Okay, repeat it. Was on Friday. Was on Friday. So was on Friday. Okay, repeat it. Listen, repeat and recite. Died on Saturday. Died on Saturday. Died on Saturday. Repeat it. Died on Saturday. Died on Saturday. Okay, see the next page. Listen, repeat and recite. Buried on Sunday. Buried on Sunday. Buried on Sunday. Buried on Sunday. That was the end of Solomon Grundy. That was the end of Solomon Grundy. Okay. Now students, we will practice this poem once again, line by line. Okay. Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday. So listen and repeat and recite. Okay. Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday. Christened on Tuesday, married on Wednesday. Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday, christened on Tuesday, married on Wednesday. To kill on Thursday, was on Friday. To kill on Thursday, was on Friday. Died on Saturday, buried on Sunday. Died on Saturday, buried on Sunday. That was the end of Solomon Grundy. That was the end of Solomon Grundy. Solomon Grundy. Okay students, so practice this poem again and again. Now students, we will see another activity given on the same page, on page number 15. Look up at a calendar and write the following dates. See students, see calendar 2014. Okay, so given in your textbook 2014. Okay, so students, we will practice the first day of this year. Students, you are seeing 2014's calendar from January to December. तो बच्चों 2014 जनवरी से दिसंबर का कैलेंडर आप स्क्रीन पर देख पा रहे हैं. द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ दिस ईयर. यस, सो द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ दिस ईयर, सी 1st January, राइट. फर्स्ट डे ऑफ दिस ईयर 1st January, Wednesday. Okay, now see the last day of this year. So the last day of this year in December, you will see 31st, and that was the Wednesday. 31st December, Wednesday. Okay, the day the school started. Students, in 2014 we will see 16th June. Yes, so the school started 16th June because 15th June was Sunday, राइट. सो कीप इन योर माइंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 2014 कैलेंडर. तो बच्चों हम 2014 के कैलेंडर की बात कर रहे हैं. राइट. द डेट टुडे. सो स्टूडेंट्स अगर डेट की बात करें, द डेट टुडे इट्स August. So students, yes, 8 August. Yes. See, Republic Day. Republic Day. If I say about Republic Day, so students, we celebrate Republic Day 26 January. Yes, 26 January, our Republic Day. And students, our Independence Day, yes, we celebrate in August month, 15 August. 15 August. Yes, so Independence Day, 15 August. Students, first day of this year, yes, you can see 1/1/2014, or you can write in this format 1/1/1 2014, or students 1.1.14 or 1 yes /1/1 14. So these are the formats. बच्चों ये फॉर्मेट हैं लिखने के. आप yes you are seeing 4 formats. 4 प्रकार से अगर डेट लिखने की बात करें तो इस तरह से, जैसे 1 जनवरी 2014, तो 1/1/2014 2014, yes you are seeing. तो इस तरह से आप लिख सकते हैं. बट स्टूडेंट्स वी आर सीइंग यस 2020. अगर 2020 की बात करें, सो दिस here we are talking about 2020. So students, practice, yes, seeing the calendar 2020, practice again and again. Okay students, now yes you are seeing the format 1 2, yes you can write just like so, or 1/1/14, or this type, this format. In this format you can write. Yes. Okay students, now practice it again and again. Now days of the week. Okay, so practice it again. Now say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So 7 days in a week. Yes you are seeing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay students, so work hard, practice again and again.
So students, subscribe BMC channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications.
Students, we have completed today's session. So work hard. We will meet later. Thank you very much.